What I wish I knew about weight loss when I started. It's not just about diet and exercise. It's about using your mind. Your mind is more powerful than you think. Start by believing you can achieve your weight loss goals. Visualize the new, healthier you every day. This helps your subconscious mind get on board. Next, set clear, positive goals. Instead of "I don't want to be overweight," think "I am getting healthier every day." Your mind will follow that positive direction. Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to what you eat and how you feel. This helps you make better food choices without even realizing it. Surround yourself with positive thoughts and people. Your environment shapes your mind, and your mind shapes your body. Finally, don't forget to celebrate small victories. Each step forward is progress, and your mind loves to win. Harness the power of your mind and watch your weight loss journey transform. You've got this. You can get Richard Trillian Mante's weight loss book called "You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight" from his website richardmante.com, and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing the like button and subscribe to get future awesome videos. Thank you for watching.